This is a tutorial for sorting data in Excel. So before we start manipulating our data, we want to make sure that we copy our data and paste it into a new spreadsheet. And we'll work with this duplicate of our original data so that we have the raw data to refer back to if we make any mistakes. It's also good to keep in mind that Excel is only going to sort columns that are actually selected. So because each of these rows represents a series of measurements for a given individual, we generally want to keep those values together. So we want to sort the data set as a whole. And we can do that by either selecting the upper left-hand corner, which will select all, or we can use Command A. And once we selected everything, let's say we want to sort by gender. We want to put all the females together, all the males together. We can do that a couple of ways. We can either go up to Data Sort, or we can click the Sort and Filter icon in the upper right-hand corner and go to Custom Sort. And we'll see in column, we can select gender, which is what we want to sort by. We can sort on the values of gender, and we can go from A to Z. We could also adjust this and go the opposite direction if we wanted. And one thing we want to keep in mind is because we have column names, we have variable names associated with each column, we want to make sure we keep the My List Has Headers box clicked. Okay, so we're going to sort by gender. We click OK, and we see now that all of the values have been ordered. All the females are grouped together, as are all the males. Okay. Now let's say we want to additionally sort by phone time. So within each gender, we then want to sort people by the time they spend using phones. So we go back to sort, so again, data, sort, and we click the plus sign in the lower left-hand corner. So it's going to first sort by gender, and then we say we want to sort by phone time. And again, we're going to sort on the values and run from smallest to largest. Click OK. So now, within each gender, again, we still have all females together, we have individuals ordered by their phone time from smallest to largest. Now let's say we want to add one more criteria to sort. So again, we go to Data Sort, click on the lower left-hand corner, the plus sign. We add one more, so now we're sorting by gender, then phone time, and finally, let's sort by shoe size. Again, we're going to sort on the values and go from smallest to largest. Click OK. So now again, we have gender sorted. Within gender, we have individuals ordered by phone time. And then within any replicate measures of phone time, we have individuals sorted by shoe size.